Hi, seniors. You're almost done. I'm so proud of you. That's why I'm wearing my Hope hat and my Hope sweatshirt. You need to finish everything in the tracker. In this video, I am going to explain how to finish everything in the tracker. On Friday, May 24, I will write yes next to your name if you are required to come to school on the 28th, the 29th, and the 30th. Some of you will need to come to school. That's okay. To not come to school, you need to finish everything in the tracker. So, first, the writing test. This is what you need to do. You need to open Google Classroom, come to the writing test, and respond to all of my comments. Now, I ended up canceling the final exam, but you guys know that I get a grade based on how well you are doing with your writing. So we need to make sure that your writing tests are really well done. That's why I'm having you review some of my comments and make some changes. So a big thing that a lot of people need to do are connect their paragraphs. So watch as I do an example with Elvis's essay. So right here, this is Elvis's introduction. He has a hook, he has background information, and he has a thesis, but he needs to connect everything. So what he's going to do is come like this and like this, and then he needs to make sure that he indents his paragraph. Boom. Now he has connected the parts of his introduction. He needs to do the same thing for his body paragraphs and for his conclusion. When you're all done with that, click Turn In, and you will be done with your writing test. Next thing, field trip form. The field trip form is the bright pink form where all your teachers are going to sign for our trip to the State House. Bright pink. It looks like this. It's this color. There are extra copies in the big binder at the front of the room. Next, draft. You will receive a grade on your draft when you click Turn In for the first time. In order to get a grade, you need to have a works cited on your draft. So, for example, Danny has received a grade on his draft because he has a works cited at the bottom. Okay, next. Presentation slides. You do need to remember to click Turn In on your presentation slides in order to get a grade. So, presentation slides, these people have not clicked Turn In, and it's the same in period 4. We're missing people who clicked Turn In. That's how I'm going to know to give you a grade. Next, final presentation. That one's pretty obvious. You're going to know you're done when you look like this, like Selvine and Samuel right here, just finishing their senior presentation. Next, final draft. You will know that your final draft is all done when you have hammered a printed version of your final draft in the hallway. Binder. You need to organize your binder. To check that your binder is properly organized, you need to come to Google Classroom, click Binder Organization, open up the document, and then you need to check that your binder follows exactly the same order as the list right here. The last two things in your binder should be your senior project essay and your writing test. Finally, you need to complete a survey. So the survey looks like this. You're going to go to Google Classroom. It says Senior Survey. What's your name? You need to answer that. Then you're going to nominate your classmates for the values of Hope High School. So these values are honesty, optimism, perseverance, and excellence. You're going to choose a classmate, and these are classmates from both class periods, that most represents each one of those values. It's optional, but you can tell me why you chose this person for each value. The awards will be presented on Friday, May 31 on our field trip. Finally, you need to, it's not going to let me go, but the last part of the survey, you need to tell me what did you like about this class and what did you wish was different. When you finish all of that, you are done. I will do my best to answer questions, but you guys know that I am one person and there are 38 seniors, and that's a lot. So I'm doing my best to respond to each one of you. I wish you all the best of luck, and we're going to have a really good last week, and then we go on our field trip, and I'm so excited, and then it's graduation. OMG, you're almost done. Okay, proud of you guys, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.